my YouTube channel. My name is Mickey. I am starting this YouTube channel today to kind of document my loc journey. So on May 21st of 2023, I decided to lock my hair, and I figured this YouTube journal, diary, whatever you want to call it, is going to be my way to kind of like track the process and I guess hold myself accountable in other ways, because sometimes I tend to become lazy with things. So I feel like this is a good way for me to document my journey and keep track of the progress that I make as I go about this loc journey. So today I am doing my first wash and retwist. Today is June 18th, so I'm a couple days away from officially being 1 month locked, but it's the weekend and I have work during the week. Actually, I'll be 1 month locked on Wednesday, but it's the middle of the week. I don't have time to be doing my hair. So I decided to do it this weekend. I'm the type of person where like if I go too long without washing my hair, I start to get a headache. So I'm like at that point where I feel like I need to like cleanse my head because I've been getting a headache the last few days. Yeah, so what else did I want to say? Oh, I've been wanting to lock my hair for years. Like it's been something that I've been talking about but not actually doing. And I feel like I finally got to the point where I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go through with it because, you know, I've done just about everything I could to my hair. And it was getting to a point where I was starting to neglect my hair. I wasn't taking care of it. So even though I'm 1 month into my loc journey, for me, it's not really an accomplishment because I wear my hair in 2-strand twists for long periods of times because I don't like doing my hair. Excuse me. I don't like doing my hair. And so I'll wear my hair in 2-strand twists for like a month, maybe up to like 6 weeks, maybe sometimes almost 2 months before I finally take it out and wash it and stuff. And then I'll wear it, and like if I wear it for like a month, I'll take it out and then I'll wear my hair loose until it's time for me to wash it again. So I feel like me being a month into my loc journey isn't that big of a deal because it's about the normal range that I usually wear my hair in 2-strand twists anyways. So if you didn't catch on, I started my loc journey using the 2-strand twist, and my hair is kind of sticking up and all over the place because I wore it out yesterday and I had it in half up, half down. So like my hair tends to like, I don't know, it doesn't like fall back down after I wear my hair up. Even when it's loose, it just kind of like has a mind of its own. So I guess I can give you guys a little overview of what my hair is looking like. So clearly this is the front, and if you can see in the back a little bit in the mirror behind me, this is the left side. This is the back. The right side, and yeah, so I'll probably insert in the video like what my hair looked like on the first day after doing my 2-strand twist. Well, I actually didn't start it. I got my mom to start it for me because I wanted them to be as pretty even as possible, my parts, which I know is unrealistic, especially with locks. Like parts and having evenness is like not the main goal, but I wanted my hair to be as close, and I didn't want like some twists to be extremely bigger than others. Like I know in some parts of my head my hair is thinner, especially like around the edges. Like these twists are a little bit smaller. I don't know if you can see that. These twists are a little bit smaller than like per se like some in the middle of my head. They're a lot thicker, but I wanted my mom to do it or someone else to start the twist for me to get them as close in size as possible. So yeah, so today I am doing my first wash. And I figured I'd also count my dreads because I asked my mom to count it for me, and homegirl told me, get somebody else to do it. So I guess I'll count it to see how much I actually have. So I'll section it off and then count it and then go from there. But I wanted to do my first wash today. So before I do my wash, I am going to be doing a hot oil treatment. And I know absolutely nothing about locks. Like this is all information from me watching YouTube videos, from me asking my friends who also have locks and who've had locks for a few years. So one of my friends, she's had her hair locked for at least, I want to say like 3 years now. And she recommended that I do a hot oil treatment because my hair is always dry. That's always been an issue for me. And yeah, so I think a hot oil treatment will help with the dryness. So I'm gonna be doing that, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. So before I get into that, I think I'm gonna start off by counting how many dreads or locks I'm starting with. So stay tuned. Okay, let's get to counting and let's see. I tried to section it, but clearly I'm not good at sectioning it evenly, so whatever. But let's get to counting.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
So in that section, I have 30 locks. So let's see how much is in these two sections. We'll start with this one. Okay, so we're at 59. So awesome, scrunchy. Oh, my back. Oh, I'm so old. My back hurts. When I say 59. Okay, let's see this side. 60, 61, 62. 88, 89, 90. Okay, so I have about 90 locks because I feel like I miscounted some of them. So about 90 locks. That's actually a lot more than I thought I had. Huh. Okay, just from me counting it, I can definitely feel that I need a retwist because I don't know if you can see it that good. Look at all of that new growth. Yeah. So I'm gonna get started with my hot oil treatment. So for my hot oil treatment, I have I ordered this off of Amazon. It's a microwavable like cap thing that you put on your head. And this is what it looks like. It smells like tea bags. So I think it has like flaxseed and like a whole bunch of other stuff in it. And you put it in the microwave, and I'm going to wear it on my head for about 30 minutes. I'm going to be using oil from, can you see it? It's called Stimulating Oil it's made of tea tree and eucalyptus. And it has avocado oil, grapeseed oil, tea tree, essential oil, eucalyptus, essential oil, and peppermint oil. And I got this from the Loc God on Instagram. So this is what I'm gonna be using. I bought like a little bottle just to see how I like the product before committing to a much larger bottle. So yeah, so I guess we're gonna get started. So I'm going to put the oil, I'm gonna be putting it in my roots, and it has like this little dispenser thing, which makes it a lot easier to put it in your hair. I think I kept this on my head for about maybe 45 minutes, closer to an hour, but now I'm going to wash my hair. And oh, my hair is so warm. I can't really tell. My hair feels good already just with me doing that. It's so moisturized. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash my hair, and I was today years old. Let me put on a light. Okay, that's better. I was like today years old when I found out that like there's different types of shampoo. Like I knew there was like shampoo, like if you have color in your hair, like you'll use a different type of shampoo, blah, 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 blah. Like I knew that, but like I didn't know that you have like clarifying shampoos, moisturizing shampoos. Like I didn't know that was a thing. And I'm really sad that I didn't know this because I've been natural for about 10 years now. But anyways, I've been using melanin hair products for the past, I want to say 4 or 5 years. So I'm going to be washing my hair with their African Black Reviving shampoo. And I'm going to use this one as a cleanser because after the research that I did, I'm pretty sure this is considered a cleansing shampoo. But if I'm wrong, you guys can let me know in the comments. And then I am going to be washing my hair with this olive oil creamy aloe shampoo. And this one is a moisturizing shampoo. And you know that because it says it on the bottle. So yeah, I'm going to get to it. And then I'm going to start this whole retwist process. So stay tuned. Okay, just got out the shower. My hair is starting to, it's still kind of damp, but it's a little bit, it's drying up a little bit. So I'm going to spray some rose water on it. This is the one that I'm using. This kind of has like a distinct smell. I'm not sure yet if I like the smell of that, but we'll get back to that. I'm gonna put some oil in my hair. Again, I'm using the Loc Stimulating Oil. And I really love how this smells. So I think I'm going to go back and order a bigger bottle. So for my retwist, I am going to be using Ali K Naturals Totally Twisted Lock Butter. This is what it looks like. And it smells delicious. Like I almost want to eat it. So I guess we'll get started. These are the clips that I'll be using. And I need to find a comb. So as I'm doing my hair, I am going to be twisting clockwise because that is what all the lock baddies said that I need to be doing. So yeah, let's get into it. Also, I feel like part of the reason why I didn't start my locks earlier was because of how much it costs if you go to a loctician. And I kind of had to build up the confidence to, you know, feel like I could do it myself and not have to go to a loctician. So I actually had my mom start my locks. And once she started it, I was like, okay, maybe I'll, you know, go to a loctician to maintain it. But it's still a lot of money to have someone else maintaining it versus doing it myself. So guess what we gonna do? We gonna do it ourselves. Okay, it's the last two. Okay, I'm all done retwisting my hair. I'm gonna go sit under the dryer and I'll let you guys see what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay, so I just came from under the dryer and this is what my hair is looking like. I feel like I did an okay job for my first retwist. Like my roots look a lot better. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's do a 360. This is the left side, the back, the right side. And it's so, we got bounce. There is some shrinkage going on, but that's expected, right? But I think overall it came out pretty well. It was looking good. I like it. So that's all. This is definitely a learning experience, and it's going to be a learning experience as I go along this journey. But I hope you guys stay along for the ride, and if you have any tips or tricks, leave them in the comments for me. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.